Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 4, Real Numbers, Section A, Easy. Let's start. According to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if p, a prime number, divides b square, then b is positive and means b square, and if b is positive, then what? Then what? These are the four options. Then b divides p, then b square divides p divides b, and none of these. Okay, let's see. See, p is a prime number. Okay, b square, it won't be a prime number definitely because it's a square. Now b square is divisible by p, means when you do b square upon p, there is no remainder, and b is what? Positive. Okay, so b square upon p means what? B into b upon p. Okay, now let's take, when such problems arise, go with the examples. 4 square upon 2, 2 is a prime number. Okay, and 4 square, b is a positive number. Okay, 4 into 4, then 2 divides 4. Okay, what does it mean? 2 divides 4 means 9 square upon 3, 9 into 9, so 3 divides 9. So in our example it will be p divides b, right? 3 divides 9, 2 divides 4, so p divides b. So the correct answer is p divides b. The answer is C, right? P divides b. Okay. A real number 2 square into 3 square into 7 cube, the whole upon 2 square into 5 cube into 3 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 4 will have a terminating or non-terminating, repeating or non-repeating decimal expansion. Here there are two questions over here. First is terminating or non-terminating, second is repeating or non-repeating. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.